Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Kareem. This special name tells us about Allah's amazing generosity. Al-Kareem means the most generous. When we say Allah is Al-Kareem, it means He gives us so many wonderful things without asking for anything in return. His generosity is endless. Look at all the beautiful things Allah has given us. The colorful flowers, sweet fruits, and tall trees. These are all gifts from Al-Kareem. Al-Kareem has given us loving families who take care of us, good friends to play with, and hearts full of love and happiness. When we share our toys with friends, we are following Allah's example of being generous. It makes others happy and Allah loves when we share. Being generous isn't just about sharing things. We can be generous with our kind words and beautiful smiles too. These make people feel happy. Let's try to be generous like Allah teaches us. We can share our toys, help others, give smiles, and say kind words. This makes Allah happy. Remember, Allah is Al-Kareem, the most generous. He gives us so many wonderful things. Let's try to be generous too and make Allah happy.